my name's Will Noble, and today we're going to be going over the first task 2 of the DA assignment 2. Basically, the goal is to have the LED to stay on for 1.5 seconds after you release the switch button. So coming over here, we have our code right here. I've created a subroutine that is 150 milliseconds of delay. Put in 2 for loops right here. And coming over down here is at my main void, where I set up my my port B as an input. Then I set my PC1 as an input, and then I configure my port B, to be an output. So this is setting up this right here, and then putting in this while loop, an infinite loop right here. When I press the switch button, basically, while I'm holding it, it'll forever be turned on. But when I release it, in this for loop, it will call the delay function, and it will loop 10 times. This for loop, creating it to be at 1.5 seconds. And then coming down here, afterwards it'll turn off the LED. Then else it'll just, if none of that happens, it will just remain off if this was never pushed to begin with. Alright, so coming in over here, if I start up, well, I already had it running, but now when I run it, and then when I come over here to my logic analyzer, you will see when I press this right here. Oop. Guess it's not connected. We'll fix that right now. Cool, so as it's running, so if you can see right here, when I press the switch button, this comes on for 1.5 seconds. Alright, so then now I come back, I stop this, go over that time frame, look at that, 1.49 seconds. Alright, and then so now if I open up my assembly code, it should work the same way. So we'll come up here. No. Assembly code 1. So going over it again, this is just going to be my delay subroutine, creating that is 150 milliseconds. Then we come down here, the delay subroutine, making it 1.5 seconds. Then you see it in my main program, doing all that again. So if I ran this, pull up my logic analyzer, run it, press it, look at that, the hump is 1.3 seconds, close to 1.5, but still it does relatively the same thing. Alright, and that's it for task 2. Next video will be looking at task 3.